What, Elijah?
Looks like an orange. Smells like an orange. Tastes like an orange.
Oh, let's try it, Ellie. Ready? You eat the whole thing. That's like so exciting. Ready?
That tastes like.
It's sour.
It tastes like a orange cap.
The peel?
Yes.
Mm-mm. But chew it up and it's really
Hold
good. Go
this.
try one, Pierce. It's good.
Hold this. No, not that.
It's just really sour. Did you notice the seeds? Did they just chew?
Ew.
Yeah, I too.
Woo! They're really good, but a little bit like a lemon at the same time. But when, if you can get past the lemon sourness, it's really good. Like, as you chew it,
My lips are too sour.
as you chew it, it's good though, huh?
I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah. Just gotta chew past the sour. It's good though. It's really sour at first.
I get. Why are you laughing like that?
Oh, because you're making me laugh. I need my popcorn for this show again. The popcorn tastes really good after eating it.
Wow, that was really good.
You like them?
Yeah, that was.
Will you bring me one too?
Can you bring me one?
They need washed.
Wait, Mama. Please shove it in her mouth.
Just eat the whole thing?
Yeah.
Both of us, like a dare?
Uh-huh.
Like a challenge?
And if you spit it out in the bag, you're out.
Okay, I'm not spitting it out.
Mama?
We're gonna do a challenge. We're gonna put the whole thing in our mouth and we gotta just chew it up and eat it.
Wait. Should I go get a cup?
They're good, they're just sour.
Mom, should I?
This is kind of like a lemon,
I know, Pierce loves them.
but then they're really sweet at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
You like my salsa?
It's a lemon on the outside, orange on the inside.
It's like a really sweet orange on the inside.
No, it's sour in the inside.
I think the inside's really good. Oh, did you bring her one?
No.
Which one's do a challenge too? Can you
Yeah.
bring one?
Yeah.
I really only got one deal of these.
And
I
it's
think
so
if they
sour.
have them on there again, maybe I should get
No, 100.
100 packages.
Affinity.
I'm counting 3 and doing it.
Black.
Pierce, Ellie, and I, we're just gonna do a challenge.
Okay.
We're just gonna pop it in our mouth and
3,
eat it.
2, 1.
Part of the challenge should be to not make the sour face.
No, not to laugh.
Look at him.
Not to laugh.
3, 1.
No, not to laugh. Not to laugh.
Woo!
Elijah, look at Willow. Elijah, look at Willow.
It's sour.
Elijah,
Don't laugh.
look at her. Willow.
Wow. How did you not make a sour face, Pierce?
Because they're delicious.
They're delicious, but they're
He likes,
sour.
he likes sour and bitter things.
Woo! But they're really sweet in the mouth. It's good. Like, you like it? You love it?
No, I said
You're
I'm
still
gonna.
chewing it?
It's sour. Try not to make the sour face next time.
I don't think it's possible. I don't know how he does it.
Wait, try not to do it.
It is
Bring us
possible.
another one,
That's bossy.
please.
I got these tomato nachos.
I'm gonna wait
Do we have lettuce?
I said,
Get it away from
from me. Get it away from me.
No. I don't think that's going to be happening. Oh,
Me want one? The tiny one.
that was so cute.
Do you want to do it with us?
Mm-hmm. That's why he's waiting.
Come on, sit right here then.
Sit
Get
in
the
here.
video. Get in here. Come on. Sit right here. Shoulder.
Oh, sorry.
Like, right here. Ow. Straight.
Okay.
Okay.
What's the challenge?
We cannot make a sour face. Okay, make your sour face before you put it in your mouth.
I don't know
Okay,
if I'm
what's
gonna
your
win the
sour
challenge.
face? What's your sour face?
Nothing.
He doesn't have one.
Yeah, he doesn't have.
Watch, this one's gonna be really sour and he's gonna struggle. Okay, we ready? Going to count 3. 1, 2, 3.
What? 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 But we can smile.
This one is really sour.
This one's not.
You're not doing it.
I know it did.
It's so sour.
It's not.
This one was. All of them were. Maybe he's getting just the sweet ones.
No.
It's sour.
We tried
You just handle it.
It's not sour. It just tastes good to me.
Woo.
I like the sour
Same.
flavor.
Let me see you eat one. I gotta see if you have a sour face.
Oh.
Get over here. Get over
Get
here.
over here.
Now we're just gonna smile.
I gotta see.
Hey, Grammy, you wanna try?
I make crazy sour faces.
Same, I do like this.
It's a kumquat. I think it's called.
No, look over there.
How did you do it, Ellie? I like can't help it.
The mini